Sling Studio is priced right. What do I mean by that? The base hub product that I showed you before, that's this puppy right here, is $9.99. The battery is available for $149, and then we also have the cam links, which allow you. They're an HDMI transmitter that allows you to transmit your signal to the Sling Hub. And then there's also a USB adapter and a backpack that's available that's very cool that you can use. Now, I want to talk about the Sling is priced right because you can also bundle all these goods together. And we have starter packs that include everything you see there, all together, as a one easy order product. But I want to talk a little bit about how the actual Sling Studio works. The Sling Studio Hub, this is a really crazy good piece of product. Will you bring me up full screen, Adam? What this product does is it sets up an independent Wi-Fi network using their own technology. The way the antennas are clustered in here delivers a very long-range Wi-Fi up to 300 feet with like a donut-shaped pattern rather than a circle. So you can really get some great results out of this. And with that Wi-Fi, it also talks to your existing Wi-Fi to go out onto your internet. So it's a completely wireless solution that you can use. Now, it's got an HDMI input jack, so you can plug your camera in or your laptop in to get the HDMI into it, and then you can use the camera links. And it's really a self-contained system that you could take anywhere. So really cool, really great product.